So hello everybody. Today we are going to see uh, the rest of the chapter, and we will cover till here. Before check your progress too. Okay, and let's start. Role of a systems analyst. The success of an information system development is based on the role of systems analysts. Among several roles, some important roles are described below. Change agent. The analyst may be viewed as an agent of change. A candidate system is designed to introduce change and reorientation in how the user organization handles information or make decisions. Then it is important that the user accepts change. For user acceptance, analysts prefer user participations during design and implementation. Analysts carefully plans, monitors, and implements change into the user domain because people inherently resist changes. In the role of a change agent, systems analysts may use different approaches to introduce changes to the user organization. Investigator and monitor. A systems analyst may investigate the existing system to find the reasons for its failure. The role of an investigator is to extract the problems from existing systems and create information structures that uncover previously unknown trends that may have a direct impact on organization. The role of a monitor is to undertake and successfully complete a project. In this role, analysts must monitor programs in relation to time, cost, and quality. Architect. The analyst's role as an architect is a liaison, liaison between the user's logical design requirements and the detailed physical system design. By the way, if you know the correct pronunciation of this word, uh, liaison, so you can just mention it in the comment section and with the meaning. As architect, let's continue. As architect, the analyst also creates a detailed physical design of candidate systems. A systems analyst makes the design of information system architecture on the basis of end user requirements. The design becomes the blueprint for the programmers, psychologists, uh, in system development. Systems are built around people. Thus, analyst plays the role of psychologists in the way she or he reaches people, interprets their thoughts, um, assesses their behavior, and draws conclusions from these interactions. Psychologists play a major role during the phase of fact finding. Motivator. System acceptance is achieved through user participation in its development, effective user training, and proper motivation to use the system. The analyst's role as a motivator becomes obvious during the first few weeks, after implementation, and during times when turnover results in new people being trained to work with the candidate system. Intermediary. In implementing a candidate system, The analyst tries to appease all parties involved. Diplomacy in dealing with people can improve acceptance of the system. The analyst's goal is to have the support of all the users. She or he represents their thinking and tries to achieve their goals through computerization. These multiple roles These multiple roles require analysts to be orderly, approach a problem in a logical way, and pay attention to details. They prefer to concentrate on objective data, seek the best method, and be highly prescriptive. They appear to be cool and studious. They focus on method and plan, point out details, are good at model building, perform best in structured situations, and seek stability and order. Now comes duties of a systems analyst. The duty of a systems analyst is to coordinate the efforts of all groups to effectively develop and operate computer-based information systems. The duties of a systems analyst are following. Defining requirements. The most important and difficult duty of an analyst is to understand the user's requirements. Several fact-finding techniques are used, like interview, questionnaire, and observation, etc. Prioritizing requirements by consensus. There is a need to set priority among the requirements of various users. This can be achieved by having a common meeting with all the users and arriving at a consensus. This duty of systems analysts requires good interpersonal relations and diplomacy. She or he must be able to convince all the users about the priority of requirements. Analysis and evaluation. A systems analyst analyzes the working of the current information system in the organization and finds out the extent to which they meet users' needs. On the basis of facts and opinions, systems analyst finds the best characteristics of the new or modified system which will meet the user's stated information needs. Solving problems. Systems analyst is basically a problem solver. An analyst must study the problem in depth and suggest alternate solutions to management. Problem solving approach usually incorporates the following general steps. Identify the problem, analyze and understand the problem, identify alternative solutions, and select the best solution. Then comes drawing up functional specifications. The key duty of systems analyst is to obtain the functional specifications of the system to be designed. The specification must be non-technical so that users and managers understand it. The specification must be precise and detailed so that it can be used by system implementers. Designing systems. Once the specifications are accepted, the analyst designs the systems. The design must be understandable to the system implementer. The design must be modular to accommodate changes easily. An analyst must know the latest design tools to assist implementer in his task. An analyst must also create a system test plan. Then comes evaluating systems. An analyst must critically evaluate a system after it has been in use for a reasonable period of time. The time at which evaluation is to be done. How is it to be done and how users' comments are to be gathered and used must be decided by the analysts. So here we come to the end, and you can check your progress in the description. And till then, keep learning and meet you in next lecture. Thank you.